Pag-usapan natin yung principles of design. Kung yung elements of design are the ingredients para makagawa ka ng isang design, yung principles of design naman is kung paano mo lulutuin yung mga ingredients na yon. Paano mo yun pagsasama-samahin at kung paano yung tamang timpla. Para makagawa ka ng aesthetically pleasing and functional design, you need to learn these principles. Let's start with hierarchy. Ito yung arrangement of elements where you consider the order of importance. We use this to guide yung mga user kung ano yung una nilang makikita or titignan. Then we have contrast, the difference between elements to make one element stand out. Parang hierarchy rin ito. Merong iba't ibang variations like colors, size, or sa text. Next is balance, the visual weight ng isang composition or ng isang design. Para di awkward yung mga spacing and placement ng mga elements. Alignment, making sure the elements are in a straight line. To put things in order, keep them together, and link them together. We also have proximity. Ito naman yung groupings of objects or elements na may connection with each other. Sa mga poster, mapapansin mo may mga part na magkakasama yung details. Magkakasama yung title and subtitle. They have their own placement para madaling makita ng mga user yung mga information. Then lastly, we have the repetition. It's using the same or similar visual throughout a design to create consistency and reinforce a visual theme. Sa mga brands, makikita mo that they use the same colors, same fonts, or yung mga elements ginagamit nila all throughout their designs. So those are some of the principles of design that you can use to arrange your elements para makagawa ka ng design. There are different principles of designs pa, pero let's start with that. If you want to learn more, comment the word design.